Bitcoin is doing okay, but there have been a little bit of a dampener on the party. That's what we're going to be discussing, of course, as well with Luna Classic and USTC. And let's jump straight into it. First of all, as you can see, Bitcoin now sitting at 20,200, but the overall market is down around 2%, and Terra Classic, USTC, is up 13% or 14%. Let CoinMarketCap make its decision. But this is awesome to see, going up significantly against the market. As you know, here on the channel, I hold myself a little bag of USTC because I bought it just before the pump. I made about a 45% gain, maybe 40%. And then I sold all of the money that I put in and held on to just my moon bag, which was the gain. So completely free gains. And this is how I like to trade here on the channel, especially in a bear market with coins that can move very violently. So if you do want to stay up to date with those sorts of movements, you can come follow me over on my Patreon, which is down there in the description. And of course, just following me here would be awesome. But we're seeing this lovely, lovely move. But why is Bitcoin not going on the move that people were hoping for? We are seeing the S&P 500 actually turn down a little bit. So we've seen a massive correlation between the S&P 500 and the overall market, but we're seeing it have a little bit of a reversal here. You see this candle here? This can be known as a long-legged doji, right? This is a reversal candle, could be telling us that we are in for a little bit of a reversal here because we are trending upwards. The market was excited, Bitcoin was excited, people were excited about potentially the Fed reversing, but that may have been a little bit too early to get that excited. We are also, of course, seeing the S&P 500 turn around because of bad earnings in some of the biggest companies. Meta. Why is it saying it's up 150%? What's going on? Let me refresh that. Yeah, Google going crazy. 25% down in 24 hours. This is an obscene billions and billions and billions of dollars, an obscene amount of money gone. Google down also 5% from missing their earnings. We also see Amazon down a little bit from not so great earnings. All of that sort of stuff isn't doing the S&P 500 very well. And of course, this has its effect on the overall market. So we're seeing USTC and Dogecoin pump in this market. So these are the kinds of coins we want to be paying attention to because there's obviously opportunities to be made here. And hopefully, if we do see things like the S&P 500 continue up, if we see the Fed pivot in the next few months, we could see some good moves on the horizon. I think it's always best to have a long-term outlook and stay patient. Don't chase pumps and don't sell in dumps. That's really it. Dollar cost averaging into things you believe in and all of that sort of good stuff. And following Connor on YouTube is always a great thing to do. So smash up that subscribe button and I'll see you guys